Welcome back. It's kind of not centered, but got 2 items here, super easy on molding. So let me just come around, get that done. I really want to see what this one looks like, so I'm gonna do this one first. Actually, yeah, gotta make sure this was. Oh, that's pretty. This is so pretty. Let me take these out. I'm all sniffly because I just, for some reason, every time I do my makeup, I get a little sniffly. I don't know if it's a setting spray or what. But anyways, this is so pretty. Very simple to the point, but like it's a hanging plant tray. White and gold. I live. Yeah. Love it. Okay. Apparently I was feeling flaky. Tahaha. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. You can't really see the true color on this. It's the copper one. It looks like it sank down a little bit. It didn't come to the top like these did. Ooh, oh, wow. Yeah, that was to the top all right. I gotta fill that in there. These, yeah, I need to fill in a little bit on this too. Okay, so the edges is where I have problems with it because on the flat surfaces, it's still smooth, but I guess, dang it. Well, okay, that's fine. We're learning here, we're learning. All right, so yeah, I know what I'm gonna do next time though. But yeah, these looks like they sank down. So I just need to go over the edge maybe a little bit here. But other than that, we are good to go. And I like that this is like a, you can't really see it in the light though, which is weird. It has like a green tint to it, kind of. I don't know, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, oh, excuse me. Yeah, so got this brown incense holder with copper, rose gold, whichever, flakes, and then this white hanging plant tray with gold flakes. I'm going to clean these up, add another layer, and take pictures and post them. Anyways, yeah, that's all I got for right now. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe, follow, like, share, all the fun things. And just like everything else here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!